Hi there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to introduce to you the new improved ESPAZZOLA 2+358, the successor of the well-known 258. This tool was actually given to us for free, and thank you, Alexander. The purpose of this tool is to clean the brew group heads of the espresso machines. It is compatible with group head size of 56 to 58 mm. End of the quick overview. Let's start the unboxing. User menu. The main part. Membrane. The cup. And the clips. And there are actually two pre-attached clips on the cup. This is the additional clips. So how many clips to mount onto the cup will depend on how many cams are there on your portafilter. Now for the assembly guide. Attach the cup to the main part, ensuring that all the four clips are aligned, and then press on it. It'll take a bit effort, and then you will hear click sound. Next, on the membrane, make sure that the part that is protruding upwards face downwards. There you go. It takes a bit of time, but it's not that difficult. That's it. Just a quick intro on the usage. Just lock in like a portafilter, activate the lever or switch for the hot water from the group head, wiggle from side to side. The hot water thoroughly rinses the brew group and effectively remove the coffee residue from all surfaces. That's it, you're done fast and easy. The hot water together with the coffee residue is collected in a funnel under the cup and safely drained off over the rim of the cup, out from the funnel and into the drip tray without spills or burnt fingers. Now, I shall put the ESPAZZOLA cleaning tool to the test. Do you already have the ESPAZZOLA cleaning tool? What are your inputs? Share your comments and thoughts down below. Thank you so much for watching.